Hey guys, so oh no. Today is the day before my final start. I think I woke up about like 2 hours ago maybe. I just came back from the gym and I made some oatmeal. So let me show you that. Oh, actually it looks really gross, so we're not gonna look at that. I just put oats, some vegan protein powder, and banana, cinnamon, and some PB2. So I'm just gonna eat that, and then we'll see. Okay, so I got ready and I cleaned my room. So another thing that's going on today is we have open house here in the dorm, so we're gonna have people like visiting. We have Christmas decorations. So my hall, our theme was the 12 days of Christmas, so we got the 10 Lords a Leaping. So we put our friends' faces on like these little cutout bodies, and so we're just gonna have people like coming in and out of the dorm, which is like the worst day possible for this, but you know, it's okay. We're gonna work with it.
What? I know.
So we got some fruit from downstairs. And we have friends.
We have friends.
We have friends apparently.
We have friends?
Okay, so I like completely forgot to vlog for a while, like a couple hours. I'm not used to that, but you know, I'll just update you. So we went to dinner in the cafeteria. We had like haystacks, which is basically like a taco salad, you know, kind of thing.
We are on our way to Starbucks to study.
Yes.
Chemistry and biology.
And you know, it's late, but at least it's not like this is like the first time we're studying. We've been studying all week. It's okay.
We have been.
Because that would be horrible if we were just starting, but
No, we've been studying, so hopefully we do well.
Negative 2.18 times 10 to the negative 18. Parentheses 1 over h squared final minus 1 over h squared initial.
Trying to forget you.
per photon. What?
Yeah, I had done that.
So h is a constant. 6.626 times 10 to the negative 34.
6.626 times 10 to the 34, right?
The hell? Wait, what the heck? Oh, it's from the same. This is a continuing problem. So we get the frequency from the problem before.
No. Because look, I'm actually gonna cry. I had the equation, and I had it right.
Wait,
I'm actually going to cry. I know what I'm doing, and I just make stupid mistakes.
At least we know. We know now. We know if we see. If
My
we see
grades don't know.
your grades.
Yeah, at least I know now. At least I know now.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Energy. Photons on the top. Oh, you know why? Because this was joule per photon. Okay, so another thing we have to memorize is the molecular geometries, right?
Is
Yeah.
trigonal planar, and if it's 2 bonding or 1 lone pair, it's bent. And then 4 electron groups, 4 of them are bonding, 0 non-bonding, would be tetrahedral. And then 3 bonding, what am I saying non-bonding? I mean lone pairs. Is that the same thing? Yeah. Okay, pyramidal, right? And 4 bonding, 2 non-bonding is square planar.
For molecular geometries every day for the past like 3 days. So we better remember this tomorrow.
I know this.
I'm all alone in a ghost town. There's a beautiful madness inside my soul, and I can't stop.
We finished studying at Starbucks, but we still have more to study. So wish us luck.
Thinking of you.
So I am back in my dorm. I'm not quite done studying, but it's like 11 something, I think. So I'm just going to write this essay that I have for extra credit, you know, because I'm just trying to make my chemistry grade as high as it can be before I do this final, so I can have, you know, some room. I will probably go to sleep, then I'm gonna wake up early and see if I can study a little bit more, and then I'm gonna take some finals. We will see.
Walking on the lonely avenue. Are you? Are you? Are you? My love so wild, please give me a sign. My love so wild, please give me, baby. My love so wild, please give me a sign. My love so wild, please give me a sign.
Yeah, this was my first vlog. I hope you guys liked it. It's pretty boring, actually, my life, but you know.